Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the noise from the background when you record something from your computer. So it's very easy actually. I figured it out just recently and I'm going to share it with you. You just hit here, the volume, open volume mixer, click the system sounds, and then on the recording you click the microphone and go to the levels tab. So this is the key solution, this is the key problem. You just have to reduce this one. So as you can hear clearly, there is no noise anymore from the background. So that's it.